to see filtered messages on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then at the bottom, click on Inbox. After you click on Inbox at the bottom, click on Message Requests. After you click on Message Requests, you will find all your message requests. Beside your message request, you will find filtered requests or filtered messages. You can simply click on filtered messages and you will be able to see all your filtered messages on TikTok. And this is how to see filtered messages on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.